Hello! Here I am again. We're going to cook Texan style pork ribs. So I'm gonna get a cup just to mix everything, the ingredients, so I have time. You can use the bay leaf, whatever you have, but usually I use, when I'm out with a bay leaf, I substitute with the thyme kasi parehas lang din yung lasa. It's just same. And then maybe one teaspoon, and then 1 chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Okay, just mix it up. 1 tablespoon chili powder, 3 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Ewan ko kung tama yung pagkabigas ko, so pwede na yun. And then meron akong minced garlic, siguro mga 4 cloves lang, depende sa size ng yung garlic. And then I have celery salt powder, so i-mix ko lang yan. Alright, and then alright lang, kukuha lang po ako ng spoon, i-mix lang yan. So ayan po yung pinaka-rub ng ating pork ribs. Pag once na incorporate ng ating ingredients, yan. So ang gagawin natin, mag-wrap tayo ng paunti-unti. O yan, okay? I-massage lang po natin yan. Okay. Lang. I-massage po natin yung ating ribs, okay? After na na-coat. When marinating your pork ribs or any meat, at least 6 hours to 24 hours. If you're rushing, 3 to 6 hours, okay? You're not in rush, go for overnight. Tapos na po ako mag-wrap. So, ika-cover lang to ng cling wrap. So, mag-cling wrap tayo. Cover natin po ang ating pork ribs. Okay. Cover lang natin. Cover natin, yan, ganyan lang po. And then, i-fridge natin yung ating pork ribs. So, after I marinated my ribs, so, I'm gonna bake this for 250 degrees. Okay. 250 degrees. 250 degrees for about 3 to 4 hours. So now bake into the oven. I already preheated oven to 350 degrees, so I set it 250 while it's cooking for 4 hours. But I was keep on checking on my baking, ribs, so in order not to burn. So that's the maximum hours. Usually when I use the big oven, I usually set it for 4 hours. Alright. So finally, my ribs are ready. Yes, finally, my ribs are perfectly cooked. So there you are. Now we're gonna have a taste it. So you can make your own, own barbecue sauce. I do, but you can also use barbecue sauce that you brought in the store. So So I have just small here piece. So I don't want to eat too much today. So yeah. So now I'm gonna taste it, how tender it is. Mmm. 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 So good. Perfect. I hope you like my show. Please follow and share. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.